Hello and welcome to English Bites. In this video, we are discussing the word malevolent. Malevolent has 4 syllables. We pronounce it as malevolent, malevolent, malevolent. Malevolent is a word used to describe someone or something that shows a strong desire and intention to do evil or harm others. Imagine a person who enjoys causing harm or being unkind to others. That person is described as malevolent. It's when someone wants to make others sad and unhappy. The example sentences are: number 1, the malevolent robber planned to steal money from the bank. Number 2, the haunted house was known for its malevolent spirits. Synonyms of malevolent are evil, cruel, harmful. The antonyms are kind, positive, gentle. Malevolent is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word malevolent is against, and the other prepositions are toward and with. Thanks for watching.